Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Psychological autopsy. In psychological autopsy, the manner of death is decided in psychological autopsy. There are three manners of death: suicidal, homicidal, and accidental. Conventional autopsies fail to determine the manner of death. In such cases, we can do psychological autopsy. We will have to know and we will have to know what was the mental status of the deceased person at the time of death. This can be determined by assimilating the habits and parameters and financial status of the patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.